Is he gonna go? Come on, buddy. You know you want to climb that pole. Come on. Come on, just hop up there. Let's see what you got. This bird feeders calls all the squirrels in the Tri-County area to come to my yard, it seems like. Got 3 over there, now they're fighting each other off. I predict only a real skinny one's going to be able to climb it. Up, up, another contestant arrives. Up, and where are you going? It's Mr. Spider-Man. You better not go to that downspout. If they go down this downspout, there's no exit. It goes to a buried tunnel. Oh, I need a pressure wash up there. Gross. Pew. Couldn't do it, could you, buddy? A lot of them try different tactics. Some of them try climbing from the bottom. Some get a running go at it, but they can't grip on because I've lubed up that pole with some used motor oil. I don't know if it's the best for the squirrels to get used motor oil on them, but as you can see, we have a plethora of squirrels in the neighborhood. I think they'll be fine. They're getting all the scraps the birds knock off. What's this guy doing? He's gonna go see his buddy. Guess one of them's the lookout. Yeah, I'm just gonna crawl back down. Let's see if we're missing out anything up here. No, I guess that guy's the lookout. Keep any birds away. Every time birds land on it, they knock a few seeds off, so the squirrels go underneath there and try and forage the best they can. Previously, I had this in a tree, just hanging on a branch, and the squirrels were all over it all day. They would empty that reservoir of seed in like 2 days. And I went out there one morning, it was just on the ground all busted up, so I had to put it back together. So this is the newest version 2.0 squirrel bird feeder, not squirrel feeder. It's an unintentional squirrel feeder. Up. Boop, nope, can't grip it. All right, eventually they're gonna get most of that oil off of it, but I've got a bottle out sitting on the patio with a paper towel. It takes about 2 seconds to relube it, so I think this might be the solution to keep the squirrels from eating all the seeds. Signing off.